Here we are at the Harvey Norman in Napier doing an audio test with the XM5 headphones. Loud conversation happening behind me. Not super impressed with the noise cancellation, but it's in demo mode, so you can't get these headphones out of demo mode and then change the settings in the app. But yeah, I'm just talking reasonably quietly. And now we are using the XM4s. Same settings. That salesperson behind me seems to have stopped his conversation now. But there's still another one going on a couple of volumes over. And yeah, seems to be okay. I think the noise cancelling on the XM4s is slightly better. Again, these are in demo mode. Yeah. And this is just the microphone on the cell phone and what it's picking up. So, yeah. This is probably the closest to room audio that I could say.